Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique. And today we're just going to see about how to insert a bar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the bar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For an example, here I have some data here. So just need to create a bar chart using this data. You have two options to insert. The first thing, you have the chart option on the side. If you can't find the chart option on the side, click on the action button and here you just type as chart. Okay, now I just go with the chart option on the side. So first I just going to select the data so you can insert the chart. Click on the chart option. Now just select that bar chart on the top and then just tap on it. It automatically insert the chart here. And here now you have the option called customize. So here you can just add labels and you can also perform where should be the label should be like outside or inside. So if it is a inside, it should be a center or base or end. You can just choose it. And also if you just add more x-axis, y-axis and the other more settings here to enable you can just enable guide line or not. And then just going to the data. So here in the selected color, so you can just choose the things where it should be. For an example, the label, you can just change the label like this or for this like that. And also you can just choose the color and also the bars. So you can just add other bars too. And also if you just need to change the customize the color, click on that color here. So you can see the colors has been on the top. So you can just easily customize the color, whatever color you just needed. And you can just resize the chart and you can just paste wherever you just need it on the sheets. This is how you just insert a bar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.